still in the University District. Yeah. This bad boy is how much? This is 400,000, 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 3,750 square feet. So there's some big into. Not big as the other one, but big enough. I believe this one though is a fixer up. What the hell? This is locked. Okay, so maybe I gotta go to the back door. Or the side door. Oh yeah, it's definitely the side door. Got new locks. Okay. Oh, bathroom as soon as you come in. How cute. All right. Pretty dark. Put on the night vision. Hold on. There we go. All right. Okay. This needs some work. It actually not that much work, but me personally, I hate. I don't like this like pergo flooring in the kitchen. But whatever. This is decent. This is decent. Okay. Like this. Nice spacious living room with the fireplace. Okay. Got some roof needs some attention. Or ceiling rather. At least they fixing it. I love the stairway. That is dope. I like that. I like that. I like the stained glass window. So this would have been the entrance as we came through the front. Okay. Hole there too. I like this room. Real fly. Got the panels going. I like these kind. I like these walls, man. These are dope. I like that. Really do. Let's go on. Hold on. I think we got a bathroom right here. Oh, closet. Okay, let's go upstairs. Got the first bedroom over here. Got the marble on the panes. Get money around here. Nice. Spacious room. Got some holes over here too though. I think they updated the electrical. That's why there's hole in here. Might have a leak in the plumbing though. Looks like they just fixed something. Get this fixed. I think they did electrical too though, that look new. All of them new. Check out the bathroom. A little outdated, but it's clean. It's clean for sure. Burgundy. I ain't never seen this combination. The burgundy with the yellow. That's new. I haven't seen a lot of houses. That's when I seen that color combo. I like it though. Let's see, this is the bedroom number 2. Oh, they updated electrical in all the rooms look like. Electrical everywhere. It just didn't finish. So maybe it was a flip, possibly. And they either ran out of money or I don't know. Used them started on a different project that was more profitable and just didn't want to finish this one. It's all kind of possibilities, but this is nice. They sell for like, they asking 400. They go for like $550-ish. Anywhere from 500 to 550. Another seated closet. I like these closets. Oh wow, that door needs to. Must be a hump in the floor. It is. It's stuck right there. No big deal. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, nice little Art Deco style fan. I like it. Real nice. Okay, got these little closets. The shoe rack. I'm gonna buy my wife one of these. Shoe racks. Okay. Yeah. Check out the bathroom. Got the Jack and Jill bathroom going. Hold on, I like this. This is nice. Nice and flat. I like that a lot. Okay. Oh, those are neat. Granite tops. Like it. Oh, whoa, they got a sauna. Okay then, I see. Little mini sauna in here. Get your sweat on. All right. That's dope. I like that. I actually like that. Really dope. Okay, has some more ceiling work. It's had a lot of leaks. I love this. Man, these are dope. These are custom built. It could have been bought. I don't know. Just talking. I like these floors too. Who calling me now? Ooh, spider webs. There, I don't see no plumbing. I don't know. Maybe they updated the electrical or something. Gotta get in up there. Whoa, this is decent. I ain't never seen walls like this one. Okay then, see you. It's dope. I like it. Alright, let's go upstairs. The main boy upstairs. Cedar closet. Oh, that's a big one. Floors need to be redone though. No big deal. Wind is blowing. Bedroom number 5. So it's actually not one big. I mean, I guess you can be one big bedroom. Got the closet. Decent size, but I would make this one big room. Like a little mini apartment or something up here. It's big enough, got enough space. Got the bathroom over here. Yeah, I'll make it one big attic. What's going on over here? Any lights? Oh, they was trying to finish it. Okay. Bathroom setup. This one's dirty and ugly. It's a small little bathroom. Yeah, I would make this one big room. I'd extend this bathroom. I guess you really can't extend it because of the wall right here. Yeah, but whatever. Not bad. 400,000 fixer upper. It doesn't need much work though. Doesn't need much work at all. Okay, let's go check out the basement. Let's see. Damn, there's no light down here. Let's just use my phone light. There we go. Okay, so the basement, it's nothing special. Just a regular basement. A basement deck. But I will say, I don't smell any moisture or nothing like that. No mold. So basically, it was finished at one point, but they didn't get to this. They didn't get to this part of the renovation. Yeah, it's short though. It's like real short ceiling. You can see. Hold on, get a good idea how short it is. 6 feet. That's about 2 inches from my head. Maybe 3. No diddy. I don't like it. Let me get out of here. Alright, not bad. It's 400, 3750 square feet. I like it.